Alright, so this is going to be Norwegian Wood by the Beatles. So let's take a look at that first riff here. So we got a G chord, but we have the second string, 3rd fret. We're leading with the melody there. So first we can hit a chord, and then give it an up, down after that. So, and then we're going to do a little melody. So that was a little string, open, 3, 1, open. So we got... And we're going to do another up, down there. I did it with my thumb there. But I'm going to mute the small string because we want it to sound just like a G chord, and that would not be the open on the bottom. So we got... We're going to mute that, kind of just touch that string. So it just sounds like a G there. And then we're going to have... So that was 2 in the G string. And then down here on the B string, 1, open, to the open G string. So 2, 1, open, open. So let's look at all that so far. And mute that and strum. 2, 1, open, open. Same thing with the muting and the strumming. And then the last one is going to be... So that's 3 on the big string to the 1 on the second string. And back to the G again. And with that G, we're not doing the 3 really on the bottom, just so we kind of can hear that D note more than anything. So all through that again. So we got G chord without muting the bottom, and we got down, up, down. 3, 1, 3, back to the chord. So you can fill that space with a down, up, down, down, up, down. So I'll try to do 2 of those in a row now. So let's try to do that together here. So this is in 6/8. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. And again. Okay, let's try that at a slower tempo. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. And you could take it easy and without trying to have to do the strums and all that at the same time. You could just think of the melody and go... You can end on that big D there, so 3, 0, 1, 3, 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 3, open. Okay, so let's go to the bridge now. That's going to be a G minor chord. To C. Back to G minor. Now we're going A minor, but A minor 7. So 2, 2, 1, and 3 on the bottom. To a D. So let's try that bridge again. And you could add extra strums in there if you want, like down, down, up, down, 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 down. G minor. A minor 7 to D. And then we're back to our other part. that's how it would end. So the arrangement on that is you have 2 times of this melody for the intro, and then you have 2 more times of that for the verse. Then you have one of those choruses where we go to the G minor, and you do all that once. You go back to the verse twice, and then you do the melody 2 more times, and then you come back to that minor chorus again. And then you'll have 2 more for the verse and 1 more and the song's over. So it's basically like 4 of the G part, and then once through the minor thing, and then 4 of the G part again, once through the minor thing, and like 3 of the G part, and you're finished. Okay, now if you wanted to play along with the record, that one was made really for this instrument, so it's in G, which gives us lots of open strings and makes everything kind of fit in there nicely. But if you wanted to play it with the record, it's really in E, so I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So here goes Norwegian Wood in E. So this one we're going to have a kind of a little pickup note. So we couldn't go to that low bass note, so we had to come up here to the C sharp there at the end. So we got E chord. I'm hitting that little E string to kind of start us off. So that was open 2 open on the second string, 2 on the G, and that 1 right there kind of pops back into being that E major chord. So. And then we're going to go. So that was a slide with the ring finger from 2 to 4. And then 2, 1 on the G, back to the E. So all together we got. Open, 2, 2, back to the E. This one's going to go E minor to A major, E minor. Now we're going to go F sharp minor, which is 4, 2, 2, 2. Then we're going to go to B major. So B major, I'm hitting those 4s on the top 3 strings, kind of muting the bottom one. You could get in there and get your full B in there if you want. So let's go through all that again. This is the bridge, this is the minor part, or the chorus, I guess. To A. E minor. And then we're going F sharp minor to B. Alright, Norwegian Wood by the Beatles. Hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Damon Wood. We'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.